Okay, so to begin adding motion blur to your clip, I have brought in a clip that has some moving cars driving past. So that will be good to see the motion blur in action. So with the new update in Davinci Resolve 17, they make it really easy to add motion blur. So all you need to do is go to the effects library at the top here, click on that. Then you want to go to open FX. Then you can go to the search bar and then just search for motion. And then you'll see the motion blur over there. Now you can see when I hover over it, it says Davinci Resolve Studio. That's because you need to have Davinci Resolve Studio in order to use the motion blur. So unfortunately with the free version of Davinci Resolve, you won't be able to do it without the watermark, but you can still see how it looks if I put it on, and I'll just click on not yet. So I don't need Davinci Resolve Studio for my needs. That's why there is a watermark, because I'm on the free version. But if I now go to the effects panel in the inspector, and if you're not seeing the inspector, click here where it says inspector, then go to effects, and then you'll see the motion blur toggle. So if I play this back, you'll see some motion blur. Now you can play around with the effect over here. So I'll put it on a little bit stronger. Or I'll just put it like at 90 so you can see it. Then play that back again. So you can see some motion blur if it loads. Okay, so if I toggle it off now, you'll see the difference from when it's off. So that's when it's off, and that's when it is on. So you can see it's a pretty cool effect, but you do need to have Davinci Resolve Studio. So if you do have that, that's great. But that will be the process of how you add motion blur to your clips in Davinci Resolve 17. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Take care.